How to delete your Cash App account. Hi everyone, this is Kate here and welcome back to the channel. And on today's video we will learn how we can delete Cash App account. So without further delay, let's get started with this video. So first of all, you have to open up Cash App in your device and make sure that you're signing into your account. Before you delete or close your account, make sure that there is no any remaining funds. So if you have some remaining funds in your Cash App account, make sure to cash out the balance. You can either cash out to your linked bank account or send money to another Cash App user. So once you withdraw or transfer your fund, the second step is to access the support. So once you're under the Cash App, tap on your profile icon, usually on your top right corner. Now, the third step is to find the support. So scroll down and tap on support. Under support, you have to choose something else. So select something else from the option presented. Once you're done with that, the fifth step is to choose account settings from the list. So from the list that pops up on your interface, select account settings. Once you're done with that, now you could initiate account deletion. Then you'll be able to start the process of deleting your account. You may need to confirm your decision through a chat with customer support, and if needed, or if you cannot find the close account option, you may need to contact to Cash App support through the chat feature or by phone to complete the process. So that's the way to delete your Cash App account, and that's all for today's video. Hope this video was helpful, and if you're new to our channel, consider subscribing. Thank you for watching and stay tuned for more videos.